Kingstonian's FA Cup journey comes to an end. 2-0 defeat here against AFC Fylde. Hayden, a disappointing result, but how proud are you of the team?
Immensely. I'm immensely proud of everyone. And I'm not only talking of the players, I'm immensely proud of the football club in general, how they helped me prepare for the game. I'm immensely proud of the supporters who were as supportive as they always have been. And I'm immensely proud of what we're achieving here. So today is a disappointing result, but listen, you guys went through some dark days last season. We're now disappointed that we've lost to a National League team in the second round of the FA Cup. That's how far that we're coming, and I think this is, as I've always maintained, just the start for Kingstonian.
How frustrating is it that the 2 goals we've conceded this afternoon both just seem like they're bounces of balls that haven't gone our way? It's a deflection for the first one that's wrong-footed Tolfs, and the second one, it's a shot blocked and it's fallen to their guy rather than our guy.
That's right. And you're right to point that out, because you can criticise the players for being the goals were a little bit soft, or you can say they had a little bit of lady luck on their side today. They had a little bit of fortune. That luck eluded us today. So, in answer to your question, hugely frustrated that we have played a National League team. Again, we've had the vast majority of the ball. The last third today, there were chances that went a little bit begging, but they didn't create that much, did they? And they scored their 2 goals through a little bit of luck rather than creativity, probably.
Yeah. Were we physically overmatched by them today?
Well, that was always going to be a problem. I think it's fair that was always going to be an issue. And that's what you get as you go up through the football pyramid. You go into the National South and the players get bigger. You go into the National League and they get even bigger than the players in the National South. But it's not something new for us, but when you play against teams like this, you have to be really good with the ball. You have to move them around. Their strength is their physicality, but their weakness is that comes with being a little immobile. So if you play in the pockets and if you work the ball like we normally do, then I think we could have really pulled them about. Dan Bennett certainly did in the first half.
Yeah.
I think the players played the occasion rather than the game at times and looked a little bit nervous. But they're going to grow from today. They're going to learn from today and they're going to improve from today. So I'm really encouraged about what's going on here.
Was football focus and this whole thing, was that in any way a distraction? Did it affect the preparation at all? Or?
Well, it's not usual, is it? I tried to keep the pressure away from the players all week. I couldn't keep the pressure away from football focus. And I wanted them to enjoy it.
Cool.
I wanted them to enjoy the moment. So, it was a pleasure to have Dan Walker and Leon and Clinton at the ground. It was a pleasure to see all the supporters enjoying the moment. That's what I wanted. Ultimately, we had to focus on the pitch. We had to focus on the game. So I don't think we can use that as an excuse. I think it was a great day for the football club. Just looked like the result we wanted.
When you look back on this cup run, what's going to be the thing that most stays with you?
Tim Wells hugging me at Dartford would be something that I don't think I'll ever going to forget. But no, I'm joking, Tim. But in seriousness, it's been a fantastic cup run. We started the cup run where we were having a few too many draws and we needed to win. We then had the crazy situation of Grays. But then when you go through, the result against Dartford really was a springboard for the team, I think. And to go to Macclesfield and beat Macclesfield 4-0, which was what anybody says, the biggest result that a non-league team has beaten a league team since 1973, I think. And I'm disappointed that we didn't get the credit we deserved from the press that day. As I've said to everybody today, they can speak that they had kids, they had 6 senior players, they had 6 lone players on the pitch. Simon Cooper is an electrician, he was marking the Nottingham Forest centre forward on loan. That puts it in perspective. What a brilliant day that was. And that gave us the opportunity to come back to our home and fill this place. And now we've tasted it. We are going to improve from the experience, and I promise everybody in Kingstonian, they won't be waiting another 20 years. This is going to be regular, because we're building a dynasty at this club that's going to take us forward in the next 10 years. And I think that days like this are going to be the norm rather than the exception.
And I think, looking forward 2 weeks ahead, I think there's a decent chance we've got a similar crowd here when we play Woking in the FA Trophy. How excited were you with that draw?
Oh, really pleased. Gav spoke to me within 10 seconds of the draw taking place. It's going to be a game that's going to be really similar to this. So that's going to be interesting because we really should learn from today's experience, and that will help us against Woking. And I think the profile of Woking is similar to the profile of Ashley File. The way that they play is similar. And I think it's going to be to another full house. So I think it's a day we're really looking forward to.
And Folkestone on Tuesday. Is that a come down, or what does the rest of the season look like? Is it difficult? Almost like the league's been going on in the background a little bit, and then suddenly, from this point on, I guess it's the league the priority.
Yeah, I spoke to the players directly after the game and said to them that, when Merstham got to this position, they...
Well, one round further back.
Yeah, quite right, so you're absolutely right. When Merstham got to the first round proper, there was such a furore about it. I don't think that they really recovered from going out of the FA Cup. We have to avoid that. I have to learn from that experience with Merstham. The players have to understand that actually, for what I want to achieve here, in many respects, the Folkestone game is a bigger game than this one. So, if the players don't have a strong mentality, and if the players are not the players that I think they are, we'll have a difficult night on Tuesday. But this is not a day to be disappointed. This is a day to inspire the team, and we need to dust ourselves down and show everybody that Kingstonian is a very good team. I don't think there's a better team than Kingstonian in this league. The league table tells you different, but we have to work towards that to make sure that in May we are where we want to be and where we deserve to be. And days like today will help that. Despite the fact we lost, sometimes you do learn more in defeat than in victory. It's the first time we've lost in a little while. But as I say, we lost to AFC Fire. It could be worse, couldn't it?
Could be a lot worse. Well, Hayden, congratulations on a truly memorable cup run for this club.
Thank you.
Thank you for leading us through it and making Kingston great again.
No, it's been my pleasure. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.